Hey guys, and welcome to a new video of Bitcoin Edge. Today we'll take another look into the charts, and I'm quite curious to see where the Dixie opens. It closed quite bearishly, and yeah, I hope down. S&P 500 will open in about 5 hours from now, and I hope we gap up. I think we gap up. And that's because the stimulus checks came in this week already, is what from what I've heard. So yeah, I'm betting upside. Something bearish short term for Bitcoin. This is the CME Bitcoin chart, and they're closed in the weekend as well. And usually it fills gaps. We have left some gaps over here, of course, still. But people are betting on a gap. We're around 60k right now. And yeah, when this opens, we have a gap. A lot of people are shorting because of the gap, expecting downside because of the gap. And yeah, I'm not sure how I feel about that. This is a bit of a higher time frame chart. I would have liked Bitcoin to make a bigger move over here. When they broke the all-time high, made a little bit of a higher move. When we saw this break over here, of course it had to do with Elon news, but we saw a very quick run to the upside. So yeah, I would like to see some more momentum to the upside still. It's a bit weak today. It is, of course, Sunday, so the move might not be over yet. I'm expecting 70k or close to 70k. We'll definitely sell at this trend line. And that is kind of what I'm expecting for Bitcoin. Lower time frame, we can look at it over here. These are the lines I was looking at. And yeah, we're grinding down. And yeah, I mean, I'm not sure. Like I said, many people are targeting this area over here for a retest, shakeout, and a gap fill for the CME futures. I'm not so sure. I will wait for confirmation on the close or the open of the S&P 500 futures, like I said earlier. Looking at Ethereum, everything today is kind of following Bitcoin. So let's take a look at the hourly. Yeah, it's still all quite following Bitcoin. And this is a trend line we can see on Ethereum. Break of this trend line, get out, otherwise you're good. We have good support over here from the VPVR, as you can see. So yeah, right now, very important level for Ethereum to hold over here. Little fake out, of course, is possible and allowed, but yeah, we want upside. Target for Ethereum short term for me would be this, and this would be support where we are right now. ADA had some bullish things going on, some bullish fundamentals. Is slowing down a little bit. We're on the daily, so yeah, it is definitely slowing down a little bit. Could be a bull flag over here, in my opinion, or a wedge, whatever. But it's definitely consolidating a little bit, and not something to panic about yet. Yeah, just a bull flag, in my opinion. Solana, bullish fundamentals from what I've heard. And I mean, it's good as long as they keep making these higher lows. We're on the daily chart now, so that is good. Very strong region in the VPVR as well. I mean, good as long as they hold this trend line over here. Zilliqa, some viewers of mine are big fans of Zilliqa, or fans, or how do you call those people? I'm not sure. I mean, quite clearly, this is what we're looking at. Do we do something like this? Yep, exactly like that. Yeah, it's just making a really big rising wedge. So yeah, good as long as they're above this trend line over here. A little fake out is of course allowed. We're on the daily, very high time frame, but it's still looking good. Break of the lower trend line. Yeah, go flat, get out. Yeah, don't lose money. RSR, yeah, basically the same. Do I see something over here? I mean, they keep making higher highs and higher lows, so it's good. Also on the daily, doesn't look that bad. They're just consolidating a little bit. Had a really big engulfment yesterday, but didn't follow through yet. But I mean, if I'm looking at it like this, you know, I wouldn't panic yet. It's basically, you know, look at VPVR of where support is. So over here is a big area of support. And I would say over here as well. So yeah, I mean, it's looking good. Compared to this one, this move is less big than this one over here. And the current move is, yeah, a lot less bigger as well. So it is losing steam a little bit, but I wouldn't be too worried. Let's take a look at the funding rates. They are coming down, which is good. Always after a big move up, you know, you see people, a lot of people longing the top. And that is the exact moment, you know, when we lose momentum. If everybody longs the top, we usually go down. It was a weekend pump, so that is always a little bit different. I am bullish still. But it's waiting for the S&P 500 to open for me. Also the CME gap. Yeah, we'll have to see what that does. I'm still bullish. Like I said, I would have liked to be this move longer, and maybe it's not over yet. We're seeing people shorting the bottom right now, so that is good. I'm bullish, but not extremely in the short term. I will wait for confirmation of the S&P 500. And yeah, that's about that. Make sure to leave a like, leave a comment, let me know what you guys think and what you guys want to see in my videos. And like I said, make sure to subscribe and click that notification button. See you guys again tomorrow.